caindo.
You want me to do the
Alright guys,
Hey,
welcome back here. So, today we'll. Your name is Bieber. Where's it? Okay. So what? Can you explain to us what we're doing today?
Air filter.
Air filter, right here.
Right here.
So basically, no, from here is. Oh, this is we're gonna need a wrench, which should be in the garage. So we'll get that first. Huh?
Where's it go?
What?
The air filter?
Right here.
Where's that connect to?
What?
Where's the thing connect to?
Right here.
No, where's the air filter connect to?
Right here.
Inside?
Right here. It connects right here.
Yeah, right inside?
No, we moved this whole, that's out of the whole car. I'm hoping it'll fit. So let me open this box here.
So just take this out?
Huh?
Take this out?
Yeah. So basically, we got this. Hoping it, that's, yeah. Here.
It could go.
No. What are you doing? What is he? When a guy does not know how to work on cars, that has to screw onto here.
Yeah, where's the other one?
Huh?
Where's the other one?
Which one? No, so that. But first we need to get this out.
I don't think it will. Or does that extend?
I don't know if it'll fit. Yeah, he'll fit. All right. So
Long ways?
here. Well, huh? No, that'll go like that. Just have to move this whole box. We gotta unscrew it though. So we basically got it here. Let me get my light real quick. We got the air box out. Now it's a bit big, but it'll fit. Just gotta zip tie it hard.
I need to do one at a time.
Huh?
I gotta do one at a time.
Yeah.
Here.
Just put them on the floor. All right. Alright, so basically we just put it in the hole and then just zip tie. See, we're supposed to move the box.
Okay. And he's cutting the last one right now. Putting it in.
It's a bit big, there we go. But see, we're supposed to remove the air box, but sorry, the bottom one, but he didn't want to. Cause this gives more air from the outside, not all from the hood, not from inside the hood. So
It looks so awkward.
and then the last one in. Now this is for a 2.5 and a 2.0, but and then now this we're supposed to get the screwdriver and screw this in.
Here you go.
To tighten this up. Alrighty. Tighten this piece up. A bit tighter. So it's super tight so it won't pop off, which should not. There we go.
And here you go.
Zip ties. You need help? Okay, that's one. $15?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course you gotta take that off. Come on, man, you can't forget this, man. And woo! Now.
Now you want to start it up?
Shut the hood, seal fill. Shut. It should shut here. Get the strap. Okay.
I got it.
Oh, my light.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What did it say? Go for it.
Where's the helmet?
Gonna if it'll start up.
Here's the top. Oh no, it's not.
Let's put the bolts in here. But you gotta like. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
What?
Motherfucker, hell yeah.
Alright guys, so we're doing more stuff to it. So
it will be coming tonight. We're gonna
Yeah.
carbon fiber my mirrors and the thing, then LED lights already inside, but you'll see tonight.
so stay tuned for that. Okay, so do for my next video. And as always guys, peace out.